Bananas, take one.
Take 3.
First time for bananas, buddy. Are you excited?
Oh boy, bananas. Yeah.
Yeah. Ready? Yeah, what is that, huh? They're good. Yeah, no, we're trying to get rid of them? Yum! They're awesome. Come here. Try again. Yeah, they're good. Yeah, see? They're bananas. Mommy made them herself.
What the monkeys eat.
Are you a monkey? Are you a monkey? What do you think?
What do you think, Will?
Is it possible our child likes squash more than bananas?
I don't see the exuberance that we thought we'd see in the bananas.
Mommy did eat a lot of vegetables when she was pregnant. But I ate a lot of bananas too. It's so good. You ready? They're a little lumpy. No, we don't want to eat our hands. Is that good? It's bananas, buddy. It's your first fruit.
It's good, huh?
What do you think? Yeah. I think it just takes a couple bites to get the hang of it. What do you think? You like it? You like it? I mean, it's no sweet potato, but...
Yeah.
You gotta open up a little wider than that pumpkin. And we're gonna have banana mash. Aha! I stuck it in there. Go. Dog. Now match. It's so good.
What do you think, buddy?
I think he likes them.
What do you think?
Who doesn't like a banana? Yeah. And they're fresh. I just mashed them. Oh. See, I'll eat bananas if Mommy makes kissy faces. Okay, Will.
Alright.
We'll see you in your next food.
See you later, everybody.